Hi, welcome to Gifted and Talented Education's P3 English program. For this video, we will do a comprehension regarding dinosaurs. Please take the time to read the passage carefully twice over so as to get an understanding of what the story is about. Please start now. As of now, you should have finished reading the passage twice. Let us look at the questions given to you over here. The first question, which of the following statements about the first reptiles is not true? Okay, so the keyword here is that it is not true. So we must find something that is false. So we first have to pay attention to the question. Here they are also talking about the first reptiles. So please do not look at the dinosaurs yet, right? So we understand that the question is asking us to find out something that is false about the first reptiles. Okay, to get the answer, we first have to look at the paragraph over here. Okay, it's talking about the first reptiles, which is similar to what we are supposed to find out. Okay, and they said that yes, the first reptiles hatched eggs. The young ones had legs and lungs. They could breathe air. They were on water and on land. Okay, and lastly, they probably ate insects. By a process of elimination, we can see that yes, they were ancestors of dinosaurs. Over here, okay, the first reptiles appeared long before the dinosaurs. In other words, they were the ancestors, right? And so it cannot be this answer. They were also both land and sea animals, as mentioned earlier, so it cannot be 3. And lastly, yes, they mentioned that they laid eggs, they hatched from eggs. So the correct answer should be option number 1. Alright, for question 2, please refer to the dictionary for the meaning of the word resembled. Okay, if your answer for question 2 is 3, you are correct. Okay, I'll show you the meaning of the word resembled in case you're not sure. Alright, resembled means have a similar appearance or qualities in common with someone or something, to look or seem like. In other words, a similarity. So that's why the answer is number 3. Okay, let's move on to question 3. For this question, we have to take note that the answer can be found in the 5th paragraph. Okay, the question is telling us that we know something from the 5th paragraph. In other words, we have to look at a fact given to us in the 5th paragraph. Okay, so let's look at the 5th paragraph, paragraph 5. Which of the following is true? Okay, first it says that some plant-eating dinosaurs became so large that 4 legs couldn't even support them. They were the biggest animals that walked the earth, and they had to spend their lives in rivers and swamps. Okay, now if you look at the question, they never mention anything about the brontosauruses feeding on small dinosaurs, sharp claws and teeth. However, they did mention that they are really big and they lived mostly in swamps and rivers. So the only answer is option number 3. Let's move on to question 4. According to the text, which is the correct order of appearance of the dinosaurs? Okay, we want to look at the correct order. For this question, we must understand that the reptiles came before the dinosaurs. So this and this cannot come first. It's either number 2 or number 3. Okay, we want to know the correct order of appearance from the earliest to the latest. And over here, it's really a giveaway. The earliest reptiles ate lizards, followed by the large reptiles that ate plants, okay, as seen over here. The early reptiles, the first reptiles over here, ate insects, as I highlighted earlier, and the other reptiles later ate plants. So with that in mind, okay, this should come first. Okay, and of all the options here, this is the only one closest to it. Okay, right, let's move on to question 5. For this question, we have to understand that this is an inference question. We have to know which one is considered a fact. In other words, it's not said outrightly, but we can understand that it is true considering the facts given to us. The only answer for question 5 is option number 4. The age of reptiles was the period when reptiles ruled the earth. It is understood because the age of reptiles obviously is because the reptiles were the rulers of the earth at a point of time. Okay? For the last MCQ question, we can find the answer in the passage. Here, the clue is that the dinosaurs disappeared not because, in other words, one of the following answers is false.